In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts through QuickBooks. Staying organized with your financial documents is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks makes it easy to add and categorize receipts, ensuring your accounting is always up to date. Whether you're a small business owner or manage your household expenses, understanding how to upload receipts efficiently is essential. This guide will take you step by step through the process. First, head over to the QuickBooks website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your finances efficiently. From here, we want to direct our attention to the sidebar on the left of your screen. This sidebar is really your gateway to all the functionalities QuickBooks has to offer. And today, we're focusing on the menu options provided here. Next, look for the menu button in the top left corner of the sidebar and click on it. This action reveals a drop-down list with various operational categories such as sales, expenses, and others. For the purpose of this guide, we're interested in the transactions category. It's important to familiarize yourself with these categories as they form the structure for organizing your financial data. Once you locate transactions, click on it. This section houses all the financial transactions related to your account, making it a key area for managing your receipts. Following this, under the Transactions dropdown, you will see an option labeled Receipts. Click on Receipts to proceed. This section is specifically designed for you to upload and manage all business-related receipts, streamlining your accounting process. It's worth noting that QuickBooks will attempt to match these receipts with existing transactions if they have already been recorded, thereby saving you time and reducing errors. Now, with the Receipts screen open, you will notice an option labeled Upload Receipts. Click on this option to proceed with uploading your document. You might be prompted to choose a file from your computer here. Be sure to have your digital receipts stored in a folder for easy access. Keeping your receipts organized electronically can significantly benefit your workflow and ensure nothing gets misplaced. Once you have selected the files you wish to upload, confirm the upload and give QuickBooks a moment to process these files. It will attempt to extract key information like the date, amount, and vendor name from each uploaded receipt. This intelligent feature minimizes manual entry and the potential for errors. After the upload is complete, QuickBooks may ask you to verify the details it has extracted, offering you the chance to make corrections if needed. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded your receipts into QuickBooks. By following these steps, your financial records will be more organized and you'll be better prepared for tax season or any financial review. Remember to regularly upload and update your receipts for the most accurate and efficient financial management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.